Imagine this. You're driving home after a long day and suddenly you're involved in an accident. You think you're covered, only to discover a loophole in your policy leaves you with thousands in repair bills. Sadly, this nightmare scenario is a reality for many. Each year, countless drivers face financial ruin due to misunderstandings and mistakes with their car insurance. Take the story of John, a young professional who learned about insurance pitfalls the hard way. He opted for the cheapest policy to save money, assuming all policies were essentially the same. After an accident, he was shocked to find his insurance wouldn't cover the full cost of repairs, leaving him with a mountain of debt. John's story highlights the crucial need to understand your car insurance policy inside and out. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the complex world of car insurance, avoid common pitfalls, and drive with peace of mind. Remember, a little knowledge can go a long way in protecting yourself from financial hardship. From hidden clauses to industry jargon, we'll demystify the world of car insurance, empowering you to make informed decisions that protect you and your wallet. Let's dive in and ensure you don't become another cautionary tale. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make is not having enough coverage. This can leave you financially devastated if you're in a serious accident. On the other hand, paying for more coverage than you need can put a strain on your budget. Liability coverage is crucial. It covers bodily injury and property damage you cause to others in an accident. Many states set minimum requirements, but these are often not enough to cover the full cost of an accident, especially if someone is seriously injured. It's essential to consider factors like your assets and potential risks when determining your liability limits. Higher limits provide greater financial protection. Additionally, ensure you have adequate uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. This protects you if you're hit by someone who doesn't have enough insurance or any at all. Your deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in after an accident. Choosing the right deductible is a balancing act. A higher deductible means lower monthly premiums but higher out-of-pocket costs if you make a claim. Opting for a lower deductible means higher premiums but lower costs if you need to use your insurance. Carefully assess your financial situation and risk tolerance. If you have a solid emergency fund and can afford a higher out-of-pocket expense, a higher deductible might make sense. However, if you're on a tight budget and can't afford a large unexpected expense, a lower deductible is a safer bet. Remember, the goal is to find a balance that provides adequate coverage without straining your finances. Comprehensive and collision coverage are optional in most states, but essential for many car owners. Comprehensive coverage protects you from damage not caused by a collision, such as theft, vandalism, fire, or natural disasters. Collision coverage comes into play if your car is damaged in a collision with another vehicle or object, regardless of fault. Whether or not you need these coverages depends on your car's value and your financial situation. If your car is older and worth less than your deductible plus the cost of coverage, it might not make sense to have these. However, if you have a newer car or are still making payments, having both comprehensive and collision coverage can provide valuable peace of mind. Several myths and misconceptions about car insurance can lead to costly mistakes. Don't assume your credit score doesn't affect your insurance rates. In many states, insurers use credit-based insurance scores to determine premiums. Another common myth is that red cars are more expensive to insure. This is simply not true. Insurance companies base their rates on factors such as your driving record, car model, and location, not the color of your vehicle. Don't assume all insurance companies are the same. Shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurers to find the best rates and coverage for your needs. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to car insurance. Don't let these myths lead you astray. Understanding what your policy does and doesn't cover is crucial. Most car insurance policies have exclusions. These are specific situations or events that your policy won't cover. For instance, your policy might exclude coverage for damage caused by driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Another common exclusion is using your personal vehicle for business purposes. If you're in an accident while using your car for work-related activities without the proper coverage, you could be personally liable for any damages. Carefully review your policy documents and familiarize yourself with any exclusions. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your insurance agent or company for clarification. Understanding your policy's exclusions can help you avoid unpleasant surprises. Don't settle for the first car insurance quote. Shop around and compare rates from multiple insurance companies. Each insurer uses its own formula to calculate premiums. You could find significant price differences for the same coverage. When comparing quotes, make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Ensure the coverage limits and deductibles are the same for each quote. Don't be afraid to negotiate with insurers for a better rate. Ask about discounts you might be eligible for, such as safe driver discounts, good student discounts, or multi-policy discounts. By shopping smart and negotiating, you can potentially save hundreds of dollars on your car insurance premiums each year. Section 8. Beyond the basics, optional add-ons and when you need them. In addition to standard coverage options, many insurers offer optional add-ons that can provide extra protection. These add-ons come at an additional cost, so it's important to weigh their benefits against your needs and budget. One common add-on is roadside assistance. This can be a lifesaver if you experience a flat tire, run out of gas, or have a dead battery. Another useful add-on is rental car reimbursement, which covers the cost of a rental car if your vehicle is being repaired due to a covered claim. Consider your driving habits, the age and condition of your car, and your financial situation when deciding on optional add-ons. While they can provide extra peace of mind, it's important to choose add-ons that make sense for your specific needs and avoid unnecessary expenses. Section 9. Honesty is the best policy, the perils of providing false information. Providing false information to your insurance company is not only unethical but also illegal. This can lead to your policy being cancelled or your claim being denied. Insurers have sophisticated systems for detecting fraud. They verify the information you provide, and if they find discrepancies, it can have serious consequences. For example, if you fail to disclose previous accidents or traffic violations to get a lower premium, your insurer could deny coverage if you're involved in a future accident. Always be truthful and accurate when applying for car insurance or filing a claim. Honesty is always the best policy when it comes to insurance. It protects you from potential legal and financial repercussions in the long run. Section 10. Staying informed, keeping up with changes in your policy and the law. Car insurance policies and state laws can change, so it's crucial to stay informed. Review your policy documents annually or whenever you receive a renewal notice. Pay attention to any changes in coverage, limits, or premiums. Stay updated on any changes in your state's car insurance laws. These laws can affect minimum coverage requirements, new regulations, or available discounts. By staying informed, you can ensure you have adequate coverage and avoid any surprises. Sign up for email alerts from your insurance company or state insurance department to receive notifications about important changes. Being proactive in staying informed about your car insurance can save you time, money, and potential headaches down the road. Section 11. Empowering yourself. Your guide to driving with confidence and peace of mind. Navigating the world of car insurance can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. By understanding the common pitfalls and following the tips outlined in this guide, you can make informed decisions that protect you and your finances. Remember, knowledge is power. Take the time to review your policy, ask questions, and shop around for the best rates. Don't be afraid to negotiate with insurers for a better deal. By being proactive and informed, you can drive with confidence, knowing you have the right coverage at the right price. Remember, your car insurance is a safety net, not just a legal requirement. By making smart choices and staying informed, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing you're protected on the road ahead.